Good noon to everyone. Today discuss કરીશું આપણે વેસ્ટ ટુ વોટર એન્જિનિયરિંગ અને ટુડે ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ધ ફ્લો રેટ એન્ડ ધેર ફ્લક્ચ્યુએશન્સ એટલે કે વેસ્ટ ટુ વોટર ફ્લો રેટ. ઓકે, વેસ્ટ વોટર ફ્લો રેટ, ન્યૂ સિલેબસ, ન્યૂ ટોપિક એન્ડ ઇન એક્ઝામિનેશન ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું આપણે. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક જોઈ ગયા હતા એની, જે શોર્ટ નોટમાં પૂછી શકાય. Now start the flow rate and their fluctuation part. The next essential consideration is the quantity or volume of waste water in terms of flow. Okay, in terms of flow, some flow rate, and it is the total quantity of wastewater generated daily and to be treated every day. શું કીધું છે? જે એસેન્શિયલ્સ કન્સિડરેશન છે સિમ્પલી ધ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઓફ વોલ્યુમ, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મેઇન વર્ડ, ધ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઓફ વોલ્યુમ ઓફ વેસ્ટ વોટર ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ ફ્લો, સમ ફ્લો રેટ. એટલે કે સિમ્પલી ત્રણ ફ્લો હોય છે, એક તો લેમિનાર ફ્લો, ટર્બ્યુલન્ટ ફ્લો અને ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન ફ્લો. લેમિનાર ફ્લો ઇઝ અ સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇન, turbulent flow is a wave line, and it is a dotted line. These are types of flow. This. Now, the volume of wastewater will depend on the water consumption by the populations for its various activities. And the design consideration will also require estimate of the amount of both present and projected populations, the design period of wastewater treatment, and a plant is usually assumed as a 30 year. 30 વર્ષનું પ્લાનિંગ છે, including the time period for design competitions, the preparing engineering details and project report, tenders and etc., and the completion of construction part or treatment. Okay, construction and treatment plant, simple. The flow rate is usually designated in units such as the crude cubic meter per day, यानी कि meter cube per day, or the cubic meter per second, meter cube per second per a million liter per day. Okay, simply basis જે flow છે, which one essential consideration flow rate for a quantity and a volume per dependent છે. In terms of flow rate, it is the total quantity of wastewater generated daily and to be treated in every day. Now start continue part for a flow variations. What is the flow variation? The flow of wastewater generated from a community or town and a city માટે is never constant and a uniform. Okay, the variation of that are significant to be design of the treatment plant and briefly described under the point. The quantity of wastewater यानी कि daily variation માટે જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, the quantity of wastewater that reach the treatment unit is never steady or constant throughout the day and 365 per days of the year. In the case of municipal wastewater, the flow from a residential zone varies from a minimum in the early morning hours to some maximum level during the 8 am to 12 noon, with an increase in the use of water during this period. Then in the afternoon hours, when most of the house members are out on work, and the flow rate decreases to a certain level, and again it increases in the late evening hours. When people return to their homework from finally the flow rate and reach it is the lowest during the late night. Such flow rate variations with time during the day as per the variations in a consumption of water is known as a short term or daily variations flow. In a typical duration pattern similar to that shown in a figure 2.2, so this and draw it. So the typical diurnal flow pattern of domestic wastewater. Which one flow versus time નો ગ્રાફ છે મીટર ક્યુબ પર ડે અને અવર્સ. Simply, the average flow rate of the 16.85 meter cube per day meter cube per is a daily verification. Now, what is the tip for this topic? The quantity of infiltration water that enters the collection system, sewerage system from groundwater and the other inflows are usually taken as equal to the quantity of wastewater lost by leakage and other losses. Therefore, such infiltrations and other inflows are normally not accounted in the design flow rate. The flow of wastewater generated from the community or town or city is never constant and uniform. So કીધું છે never constant and uniform point આટલા છે. This one, the one. The variations that are significant to be the design of the treatment plant are briefly described under this consideration. Daily variations discuss करो अपने main graphical system जोड़े, and this is the main point is this one. The next essential consideration is the quantity or volume of wastewater in terms of flow rate. It is the total quantity of wastewater generated daily and to be the treated every day. And the volume of wastewater will depend on the water consumptions by the populations for its various activities. And the design consideration will also require estimate of the amount of both present and projected populations part. The design period of wastewater treatment plant is usually assumed as 30 years including the time period માટે છે. Okay, main graph થી એના માટેનો છે. Okay, now the last point, which one is a seasonal variation. The variation is the flow rate similar to the shown in figure 2.2 માં જોયું આપણે. કે અલગ અલગ ફ્લો બતાવે છે એના flow rate wise. Can be also be observed in a particular season or a period of the year. Such variation is known as the seasonal variation and must be considered in design calculation, the longer duration part. Okay, some for cities having combined sewerage system to collect both storm wastewater and sanitary sewage in one sewer. The quantity of domestic wastewater is more in a rainy season than the flow in a dry weather period. Okay. હવે આપણે મેક્સિમમ અને મિનિમમ ફ્લક્ચ્યુએશન નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. જોઈ લઈએ છીએ ચલો. Definitions of various design flow rate. The different types of flow rate that are normally considered in the design of wastewater treatment facilities are the first one daily flow rate છે QD, second one average daily flow rate Q average માટે for and the peak or maximum daily flow rate Q peak or maximum peak and maximum. Peak hourly flow rate Q peak and a minimum daily flow rate, minimum hourly flow rate, sustained maximum or peak flow rate. Okay, sustained maximum flow rate Q signs. Okay, definitions of the various flow rate આપણે જોઈશું નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં ડિટેલમાં 1 by 1. ઓકે. Okay. Simply the quantity of wastewater અને જે ડ્યુરિંગ પીરિયડ છે એનો કેસનો જે 365 ડે પર યર થાય છે ડેલી વેરિએશન્સ એનું. હવે મેક્સિમમ અને મિનિમમ લેવલ છે એનું લેવલ ડ્યુરિંગ 8 AM to 12 noon and increase in the use of water during this period. And afternoon hours of most of this period in this season. In the short term of the daily variations and a flow type, a typical diurnal pattern similar to the shown in a figure જોયું આપણે flow diagram system માં. The average flow rate 16.85 meter cube per day and the flow rate છે તે meter cube per day is the time hours માટે typically duration flow pattern domestic wastewater. પ્રોજેક્ટેડ પોપ્યુલેશન ટોપિક ટેબલ છે ડ્રો કરી દો એકવાર. Arithmetic increase, incremental increase, geometrical increase, density increases, graphical increases. Okay. Determination of the sewage flow rate. અને ફ્લો રેટ વેરિએશન, ડેલી વેરિએશન જોયું આપણે ડિટેલમાં. Okay, so thank you so much.